Now my question is that let's say I want to see my formulas. How can I do that? Now you can see there are numbers, but in formula bar I can see that all these are formulas while all these are numbers. And there is a shortcut in Microsoft Excel which is called Control plus tilde, that is behind one. If I press Control tilde, automatically the sheet will give you the backend view, and now you can see which one is the number and where is the formula. You can easily see the whole sheet but just by applying simple shortcut, that is Control tilde. Now this is the toggle button. If I want to move back into the original position, press Control tilde. You can switch into the formula option shape, or you can move into the original database shape like this, Control tilde. I'm just moving into the two views of my data. Okay, let's apply some functions more. And I would request to some Nicole, can you share, will you share your screen and do the same thing up till now so that you may get the idea for it. Share your screen.
I don't really have, I'd have to pull up Excel. Hold on.
You don't have Excel?
I'm actually just following you. Hold on.
Share your screen. Share your screen. We want to see.
Sorry to interrupt. If Nicole or Regan wants to share their screen, so you being an organizer, just right click on their name and then make them the presenter so that they can share their screen.
Okay. Make presenter. Okay,
yeah,
I make it.
Yeah.
Now.
And then once let's say you are done with what Regan or Nicole wants to share, then you can just right click on your name and make yourself the presenter, and then you can share your own screen.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Now, Nicole, you can share your screen. I have made you the presenter.
Okay, I don't really know, like, hold on.
You don't know how to share your screen?
It's like doing something.
Yeah, we got it. Great. Now, tell me, what is the workbook name?
Say that again?
What is the workbook name?
I'd have to name it.
No, this is the worksheet name. Worksheet name is sheet 1. Workbook name is book 1. That is on top of your workbook. Yes, here. This is workbook name, book 1 in top.
In
green bar. Now, where is your quick access toolbar?
Hold on.
Regin, can you help? You can help her. You can help her as well.
What was the question?
Where is the quick access toolbar?
The toolbar is up in the top.
Yeah, top.
Yep. And please add any tool in the quick access toolbar.
Okay.
How you will add it? Very good. Okay. Now, just jump into the last row.
So that would be
jump into the last
control
row.
Down.
Very good. Press it.
Okay.
Control down arrow.
Yeah.
You are in the cell B1 at the moment. Yes, very good. Now move back into the last column, then move back into the cell A50. Very good. Now go to the cell A50.
Which one?
A50. A, alphabet A, 50.
Okay. Do I just type it in?
No, not here. Go to the name box in the left side of your sheet. In the name box.
Okay.
Yes, here. Type here A50 because this is the name box. From
Okay. My computer is
this
running
box,
slow.
I can understand. You can navigate your worksheet. You can navigate your cell here, and you can jump into anything. Very good. Now A60. Yes, very good. Now add write few numbers, then add them. Apply the function sum, maximum, minimum, average, small, and large. Do it. Write few numbers.
Okay.
Write few random numbers.
And then
You can help her if she gets stuck in some area. Write some numbers. Let's say write 5 to 6 numbers.
okay.
Yep. No. First, create a data set of 5 numbers. You just write here 2. Create a data set of 5 numbers. Very good. Now apply the sum function, max, minimum, large, average. Very good. Then apply the maximum, minimum, large. Let's say I want to get the second maximum.
Oops.
You did not press tab.
Yeah.
You did not select the whole data set. You just missed the shift. Don't worry, you will get it easily.
Did I miss something? Yeah,
Yes,
I
you
guess
just
so, huh?
you can
Okay,
see in the
hold
formula
on.
bar.
Ah,
No,
let's see. I want to do this. Hold on. Max, tab, tab. Hold on. It's because I'm like almost blind, so it's like hard for me to see. Let's see. This one through this one.
very
Enter.
good. Very good. Now select the second maximum number.
Let's see. Large. Array.
Very good, very good. Now get the third minimum.
The what?
Third minimum.
Third
one.
minimum. Okay. No. And then 3.
Very good. Now I want to see all my formulas. What is the shortcut for it?
So that would be control delta, which is, where's delta?
Behind one.
Huh?
Behind one in your
Behind
keyboard.
1? Yeah, control delta.
Wow. Now you can see your formulas and you can see your data as well. Okay. Now I would request to Agent, please share your screen and do the same thing for me so that you may get familiar about Excel, how you are moving. Now I would request to Nicole, you can ask questions from Regin so that he may follow your instructions.
Okay.
Okay, up till now, what I have learned you so far, you can ask from Regin. Regin, please share your screen and do the same thing.
Hold on.
Okay. Meanwhile, can you give me 5 minutes? I'm just coming. Let me say my prayer. I'm just coming in 5 minutes. Okay. You can continue your practice, and Nicole, you can help her, and you can ask questions just like I just asked you from. Okay. I'm just coming in 5 minutes.